Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a secure folder on your Samsung or Android phone. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, the first thing we will need to do is open up the Settings app on your phone. Within the Settings app, we can create that secure folder just by scrolling down, and we're going to choose Security and Privacy. Tap on that. And now from here, all we need to do is scroll down until you see the option that says More Security Settings. Tap on that. You'll be able to see there is your secure folder or secret folder. You can tap on it and I'll walk you through the steps of setting it up. So let's hit continue and more and next. Now it will go through the process of creating that. We need to set a PIN or a passcode so that no one else can be able to get in it. So let's choose PIN in this case. And you can see I can enter in, let's say 4 ones. And I can choose use anyway. It will want me to enter in 6, but I can also just enter in 4 and hit allow. After I've done that, I can choose to turn on fingerprints and allow Samsung to reset it. But let's choose next here. And then I'm just going to choose next. It says hide secure folder for more privacy, which I can do easily. And then when I'm hit done, you can see on here, I can just add any app that I wanted to be in that secure folder. So tap on the little plus. And let's say in this case, I want Instagram to be secured and maybe YouTube or anything else. And then hit the add button. Just like that, you'll be able to see those secure files and those secure apps. If I hop out of here, you can see there's my normal app drawer and there is that secure folder. I can just tap on it and enter in that PIN code if you have it set up, essentially to be able to lock it so no one else can access it. And then you can open up that app and it will create another version of that app. You can see in this case, Instagram will be different and I can have a different login or a different account on those different apps that are just within the secure folder. Of course, you can always also just put in there secure files, secure photos, videos, all of that stuff. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.